Greetings, CPA students, and welcome to week 5 for ITBU. So what we're going to do this week is in Monday's class, if you join us, we're going to do the first couple of topics here. We're going to talk about HR, human resources. We're going to talk about what kinds of roles and responsibilities the people that work in HR have, and what do they do that you, as a CPA grad, might be involved with. Okay, and then we're going to specifically talk about recruitment in job descriptions. We'll do a job description activity so that you know how to write a job description, what should be part of a job description, and then we'll finish up for our Monday class. On Wednesday, what we'll do is we will talk about job interviews, and what I want you to gain from this week and next week when we're talking about job interviews is how to evaluate people when they come to a job interview. So you're going to be from the kind of employer perspective. Okay, so we've talked about job interviews probably in ITSE class, and we'll go over it a little bit about as a candidate. But right now we're going to be focusing more on how to conduct a job interview if you're the employer. And on Wednesday, we'll take a little bit of time to go over the HR assignment part 1 and part 2, so you know what to expect, and also do a little bit of midterm test review, because remember, week 6 is your midterm test.